Ice cream. It's creamy, cold, and nearly impossible to say no to. But have you ever wondered who invented it? Welcome to Tell Everyone Trivia, facts too good to keep to yourself. Let's rewind, way back. The earliest versions of ice cream weren't creamy at all. In ancient China, around 200 BC, people mixed milk and rice, then froze it in the snow. They didn't call it ice cream, but it was definitely the great-grandparent of the dessert we know today. Jump forward to 400 BC in Persia, they had something called faluda, a chilled dessert with rose water and thin noodles. The twist? They stored snow underground in yakhchals, ancient refrigerators. Meanwhile, Alexander the Great reportedly loved snow mixed with honey and nectar. Roman Emperor Nero sent slaves into the mountains to bring back snow so he could enjoy it with fruits and juices. Talk about a royal treat. But when did ice cream become creamy? Enter the Arab world. Around the 9th century, Arabs began using milk, sugar, and flavorings to create early versions of what we now call sherbet, and they were among the first to use sugar as a sweetener instead of honey. Fast forward to Italy, the birthplace of modern gelato. In the 1500s, when Marco Polo returned from China, he reportedly brought back ideas that helped shape European frozen desserts. The real game changer came in the 1600s when ice cream hit France. Italian chefs working for French nobility began serving a frozen cream dessert at court. Louis XIV loved it. Then came England, where iced cream started appearing in cookbooks. Fun fact, King Charles I supposedly paid his personal chef to keep the recipe secret so only royals could enjoy it. But it was America that truly democratized ice cream. In the 1700s, it was still a luxury, but by the 1800s, insulated ice houses, hand-cranked freezers, and eventually industrialization brought ice cream to the masses. In fact, by World War II, ice cream was used as a morale booster for US troops. The Navy even had a floating ice cream barge. Yes, an ice cream ship. And here's a chilling twist. Ice cream cones didn't become popular until the 1904 World's Fair in St. Louis, when a waffle vendor rolled his pastries to help out an ice cream seller who ran out of dishes. Modern delights. Beyond the cone, ice cream continues to evolve. Artisanal shops experiment with exotic flavors and unique textures. Vegan and dairy-free options are now widely available. Innovations in freezing technology also play a role. Flash freezing and liquid nitrogen create incredibly smooth, dense ice creams. The possibilities seem endless. So whether you prefer classic vanilla or something wild, there's an ice cream for everyone. It's a testament to its enduring appeal across cultures and centuries. So the next time you hear that jingle from the ice cream truck, remember, you're not just enjoying dessert, you're tasting 2,000 years of sweet history. What's your favorite flavor? Tell us in the comments. And if this gave you brain freeze in a good way, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more trivia treats.